adorable. Okay, Ricardo was talking about open storage. Here we go. Here we go. This is what we do. This is how we make cameras. Okay, so Mr. K wanted me to repair his camera, right? This one. So how do I actually repair a camera? Battery, 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 battery. And how do I make a battery? Okay. 125 refined aluminum. But I only have 10. How am I supposed to refine aluminum? Oh no. Uh-oh. A flippy nose, right? I know this is my business, that's why I've gotta learn. You can use regular, but it doesn't say how many, right? It's just, oh, 375. 375, 375, I didn't see that. Okay, 375. 375, take this right here. Do this, do this. Do this. Get a battery. Am I crafting right now? I just go like this, right? You don't have the required materials. What are you talking about? I do. Oh, I just go like this. Done. And then I go like this. My song, my song, my song, my song!